Hi, my name is Lena and I'm purLZknitting. Okay, let's start this. AMAPOLA cardigan. This is a drop shoulder simple cardigan in decent amount of sizes, and what I see is it's not structured properly. You can see that this cardigan is being pulled up. Why is this happening? The back neckline drop was not a part of this pattern. The back neckline is straight. There are no pictures here, but I can tell this is exactly what's going on. We rarely build up the back neckline drop. So what is happening? The straight line of the back neckline is the gravity takes place, so it's being pulled down, stretching the fabric, creating the fold at the back and pulling the front upwards, so we constantly will be pulling it down. By building back neckline drop, we will eliminate that pressure on those high points and avoid the stretching at the back, so the back neckline will lie properly and the front will not be pulled up. SHIFTIGAN. SHIFTIGAN is a follow-up to Shifty pullover. It's a yoke cardigan, same structure as the Shifty, so the rules apply to both. This cardigan comes in a variety of sizes. There's a bit of fabric built at the back. The front is pulling up. There's no shoulder shaping at all. As you can see here, two designs are similar. Mine, the green one, was falling off the shoulders because there's no shoulder shaping. So why is the shape will not work? This is a cone shape, and if we build up a little bit to the back, the gravity takes place and it will just create the fold at the back. You will also see extra fabric at the sides because the shoulders are not shaped properly. The front neckline needs to have more short rows to shape properly, and it will still be pulled because back neckline drop is not part of this pattern and shoulders were not shaped. It's stretched over. I prefer to have back neckline drop. I prefer not to have the trim here like this and work it at the same time with the cardigan. I prefer shaped shoulders and a bit more structure and shape at the underarm. You will see the pulling effect in a little bit. We're stretching it to the shoulder, but it's not quite the same, and the ruffle effect with the increases at the body, and you can see here the underarm. I do not like the cone-shaped yoke. I would like it to be shaped to my body. What am I talking about? Take a look at this round neckline or yoke. Compare it to this with shaped shoulders, offset back neckline to front, and this is what it looks like shaped to your body. In this yoke sweater, the shoulders are shaped, and so is the back neckline drop, hugging the back of the neck. The front is built deeper so it doesn't ride up and choke you. Here's an example of cone-shaped yoke sweater. And this is yoke sweater that's fitted to your body. Sunday cardigan was a follow-up to Sunday pullover. It's a yoke-shaped cardigan with limited sizes and the same issues with not enough neckline built or shoulders shaping. Same things apply here as with previous two sweaters. There should have been a back neckline drop build, shoulder shaping. Here, at least the button at the top was eliminated, so it's a little better fit. And then mohair version was created with the same issues. Can you fix it? Yes, this one is doable and easier to fix. Stay tuned, I will show you somewhat how to fix it. Pressed flowers cardigan. This one is a dropped shoulder with seams cardigan. What I would change here to improve the fit is the back neckline drop will improve it greatly. It's slightly pulled at the front, you can tell, It's the same as the first cardigan that I described, but if you would just correct the back neckline drop or actually make one, then it will correct the fit and it will stay low on your body. You will not have to pull it down constantly. A slight shoulder shaping, which is good. That's slope, which removes the extra fabric, which is great. But I will show you right now how to modify the back neckline drop, how to include it here. Whether you're working the back bottom up or top down, it's the same thing. Instead of working it flat, you have to include some short rows going from the neckline to the shoulder, back and forth, and then across to the other side, and then full back. You can check out my Nubia or Avery sweaters step-by-step tutorials on how I do that. ZAKKURI cardigan. This one is a raglan cardigan, simply shaped, beautiful, simple pattern. What I would do here is I would improve the shoulder shaping because it's stretched over the shoulder, and that will cause a problem by the cardigan sliding off of your shoulders. There's not enough back neckline drop. It seems like there's some short row shaping at the back, but you can see the front is being pulled still to the back. So you need a larger, more deeper curve at the back here. And that's easily done. Again, look at Avarice or Nubia step-by-step tutorial and see how you can improve this sweater and how you can build up just a few more short rows at the back. 1.5 inches for small size will be the optimal one for the back, for the beautiful back neckline drop and beautiful curvature at the back. Other than that, it's decent, simple cardigan in good amount of sizes, actually. Not enough details for me, is it? I would prefer a bit more to see what the circumference of the bust is finished. There's some information about the sleeves, but I would want more the length, the cuff circumference, the neckline circumference, all of those additional things. The cardigan at the top, you could see the top button is stretched over. It's again because the shoulders are not shaped and it's stretched over the shoulders and it's being pulled. So all of those little things just stand in the way of it fitting perfectly to your body. No frills cardigan, but by Petite Knits. This is a raglan, very simple cardigan with pockets, afterthought pockets. What I would improve here is the back neckline drop. It's a straight neckline at the back, and it will be pulling the cardigan up and to the back. And also to make it stay on your shoulders because it will be slipping off, you need to build some shoulders. How you do it, the increases at the sleeves, take half of the stitches that you increase there, increase it every other time, and make those extra increases at the shoulder at the very top. Just transition, shift those stitches, and increase them where it's necessary. What I like here is that the trim is worked at the same time, and there's nothing to be done later on. And I like that in patterns more than picking up stitches and creating the trim. The variety of sizes is decent. I would want to see more measurements, to see the full-blown, not just bust circumference, but finished object, all of those things. As you can see, this is how she designed the trim to work with the body, and I really, really like that. And to finish it off, last cardigan is by Isabel Kramer. I would do the same thing here. I would build up shoulders because the cardigan is stretched over the shoulders, and at some point it will just slide off, and I will improve the back neckline. It's straight here. I would add back neckline drop to improve the fit. These are all of the notes. These are absolutely gorgeous cardigans. Every one of them I would create myself, but with slight little modifications.